Hi, it's Moving Ideas, and today we want to see how to solve this problem in Corel. So maybe you must have encountered this problem in Corel when you try to open a new document and you can't find your worksheets and everywhere is just blank. So just like this, you click on the new document and everything is okay and you click OK, but you can't just find the worksheet to start your work. So it's just a very simple task. All you just have to do is go to Windows, click on Windows, go down to where we have the Workspace. So there you go through and find New. So on that New, you're going to have a dialog box right here where you have an option to click and enter a name. So we try a name here, right? And okay, let's see if we can open it without entering any name. So let's just try it, and oh, it didn't work. So we're supposed to write a name. Okay, so we click new and okay. So let's see what happens right now. Okay, so look at what we got here, and all you just have to do now is to head on to the new document and click and OK, and everything is alright now. So you can see your worksheet and start your work. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more things like this. See you next time.